guys, so today we are talking about choosing a company name. It could be so scary and so daunting. Good news, I have come up with 5 tips to help you get started. Coming up. Tip 1, avoid hard to spell company names. You do not want potential customers getting lost and confused about how to find you on the search engine. I recommend keeping your names as simple and easy to spell as possible. Tip number 2, once you decide on a few names that you like, type it in the search engine. Make sure that no other companies are currently using that name. If so, it's probably best that you start from scratch so your company is not confused with another company that's already out there. Tip number 3, give it time. It took me easily about 3 months to decide on a company name. A couple of questions to ask yourself when you are considering and settling on a name. How does it fare with the competition? Does it tell customers about you, about what your company does? What kind of tone are you trying to set for your company? You don't want to have a whimsical name for a strong natured tone company. So have those things in mind. Ponder these questions and I'm sure that it will help you whittle down your list. Tip number 4, you are going to want to conduct a Secretary of State search on your business. You want to make sure that the name that you choose does not come close or is eerily similar to another business name. If so, you may not be able to register your business. If you are considering making your business an LLC or a corporation, this is a very important step that you don't want to bypass. Tip number 5, get feedback on the name. If you have some honest friends or family, like me, sometimes they're too honest, bounce your ideas off of them. There were a lot of names that I was super excited about that I just thought they would love, that my family absolutely hated. So make sure that the names that you are choosing are clear to understand and that your audience, that the group of people you got together can understand. Get their thoughts and opinions. I'm sure they will help you dwindle your list down. And last but not least, check for the domain name availability. If you can go for your domain name .com, that is ideal. Many customers tend to associate the .com with a more established business. In the event that your domain name is taken, many domain owners may be willing to sell it for the right price. So make sure you check online to be sure that your domain name is available. Also, while you're at it, make sure you set up accounts for your social media, your Twitters, Instagram, and Facebook with your username so customers are able to find you on all platforms. I really hope that you guys found this video helpful when deciding on your company name. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, you can also leave them below. Thank you guys for watching.